Well, if we get that somewhere like in frame. So, it's the burner brigade from Nottingham talking. Go to Mega Chippie channel. And so this Maxcom 16E uses the same chassis which all the other Maxons of this era did. Maxcom, made by Maxon in Korea. So it's the same as the Colt 295, the Cobra 21XFM, the Nentone and the Midland Precision series. Right, what's the record finished in the ultrasonic cleaner? So if you saw the servicing video, it was a matter of doing the faulty receiver. There was no receiver on this whatsoever, which I just tracked down and sorted out. And then we'd got the channel 19, sorry, we got the high-low power switch converted into a channel 19 switch. Luckily we've got a scrap set here, and I was able to copy the wiring from that one, which made it a bit easier. I'm going to be using a standard replacement mic, but one of the viewers has kindly sent in a working Maxcom microphone. Although intended for the 21E, it is the correct mic for this type of radio. And usually the inserts have failed in these, so it's nice to see one of those working. So here goes. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger on that. I'll just plug my extension speaker in.
Yep, roger that. Let me know when you're ready.
And at least with this set there's only one socket, so I don't have to look round the back and see what it's labelled as. Tango 21 back on the thing.
Roger, off we go then.
Roger Dodger.
Right, we're passing out and recording.
Roger on that. Right, well I haven't got a tone control on this radio, have I?
So you haven't?
That's correct, I haven't.
Roger.
So you won't be able to tell me about the passing places in the Dougie Daycare Centre?
No, but we are passing a passing place right now, so there you go. It hasn't been defaced yet.
No.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station, and it's closed.
Is it really? We're well in the time frame.
Yep, well, 1:45, so I wouldn't expect it to be open at this time.
When do they officially shut? Is it 7:30 or when they feel like it?
I don't know, I've never noticed any opening time, so normally I think it's about 7ish.
Roger.
But one day we did the test and I went shopping, I come back and it was 7:45 and it was still open, so I don't know what happened there.
I think you think it was a motorcyclist meeting at the Woodland Waters place across the road, so I think they were thinking of lucrative petrol sales.
Yep, probably something like that. Right, we're square wheel Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on your wheels, that's Ancaster Crossroads. At least there isn't an overturned tractor there today.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger diddly dodger.
passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger on that. Got you at the top of the hill. We're having a couple of CR 2016 batteries, Sony branded ones, with an expiry date of 2008, manufactured 2000. And they both worked and no leak and no full voltage over.
That's very good, because we've got some CR 2032s that are a few years old and they definitely don't work.
Correct.
Mind you, I think they were Billy No Mate's brand from Poundland or something like that.
Waggling the wrapper in front of the camera so that the inset feature will show it.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Maxcom Apollo16E radio from 1982. Using a standard Maxcom section to that time. I'm using a standard replacement microphone, and it's doing can't speak, but full 4 watt output.
Yep, roger that. Well, it's all received. Going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. So on this Maxcom Apollo16E from 1982, using a standard replacement mic, it's doing a full 4 watt output, and we're going to pop it onto low power. Right now it's running very efficiently and drawing just 875 milliamps to deliver that full 4 watt output. We're now going to go to low power, and I've set it to 400 milliwatts. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Milliwatts and drawing 415 milliamps. Now we go back to full power. There we are, back on full power.
Yep, roger that. No problems on full power. You did disappear on me on low power. I had to override the squelch, but it does seem a bit noisy tonight's conditions.
Yep, roger on that. No problem at all. Off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 147.9, 155.9.
Well, at least they're open. That test worked great. Thanks very much.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please, over?
Yep, 147.9, 155.9.
Well, at least they're open. That test worked great. Thanks very much.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
10-10. Okay, and it did work fine. Just can't argue with sets like that and just work. So we're going to put the camera into the other room and see what it sounds like on the Midland 76900 base station. I'm going to start with that mic, and then we'll go to the factory original type. I say the chance of finding one with an insert still working in one of these is very slim. So you may think, oh, it works great, but what can you do about it? Not a lot. Tango 21, testing the Maxcom Apollo16E with our standard replacement microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just pop it on low power as a hum test. There, these sets don't suffer from hum. Testing 1, 2, 3, and back to full power. There we are, back on full power. Now we'll swap it for the factory original mic. Tango 21, testing the factory original mic for the Maxcom. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again we'll pop it on low power as a hum test. There we're on low power. And there we are, back on to full power. So that's it, and I think we'll probably be doing a Midland either next or then after. Thanks for watching.
Issue that as
G7DJ up to SDM, good evening all. So G7NDJ, I think that was loads of interference then as they got some local interference again. Good evening Mark, are you well? Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. pottering about as usual.